Where is Sarah? Where is Sarah?
She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen.
Where is Alex? Where is Alex?
He is at the park. He is at the park.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
I would like to drink tea. I would like to drink tea.
Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?
No, I'm not hungry. No, I'm not hungry.
Are you married? Are you married?
I got married last year. I got married last year.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
Yes, I have one child. Yes, I have one child.
Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number?
Yes, you can have it. Yes, you can have it.
Can we go to the park? Can we go to the park?
Sorry, I'm very busy. Sorry, I'm very busy.
Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can meet. Yes, we can meet.
See you later.
Goodbye, bro. Make nice. Comment and follow.